Hey guys, today, I'll show you how to fix your Nissan's rough idle in just a few minutes. No fancy tools or mechanic required. If your Nissan shakes at idle or the RPMs bounce, don't stress. Most rough idle issues are common and easy to fix at home. I'll walk you through the top 3 causes: a dirty throttle body, vacuum leaks, and a finicky MAF sensor. I'll show you how to spot and fix each one, step by step. All you need are basic hand tools and a little time. Ready to save money and get your Nissan running smooth? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the throttle body, an often overlooked but absolutely crucial part of your Nissan's engine. If your car is idling rough, sputtering, or even stalling at stoplights, this is the first place you should check. In fact, a dirty throttle body is the #1 cause of rough idle on Nissans, and it's a problem that sneaks up on a lot of drivers. You might notice your engine shaking, the RPMs bouncing, or even a sluggish response when you press the gas pedal. Over time, carbon and oily residue build up around the throttle plate, restricting airflow and confusing your car's computer. This buildup can make your engine work harder just to breathe, leading to poor performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and that annoying rough idle. The good news: cleaning it is simple and doesn't require any special skills. All you need is a 10mm socket, a screwdriver, some throttle body cleaner, and a clean rag. These are basic tools you probably already have in your garage. Start by removing the intake tube to access the throttle body. You'll likely see black, sticky gunk coating the inside. This is the carbon buildup causing all the trouble. Spray some cleaner on your rag, and gently wipe away the deposits, being careful not to damage any sensors or delicate parts. Don't force the throttle plate open, just clean around and behind it as much as you can. Take your time, and make sure it's as clean and shiny as possible, since even a thin layer of grime can throw off your engine's air-fuel mixture. Once you're satisfied, reattach the intake tube and make sure everything is secure. Start the car and let it idle for a few minutes. Don't worry if the engine revs high at first. This is normal as the computer recalibrates. After a short while, the idle should settle down and become smooth and steady. You'll probably notice the engine running quieter and more responsively right away. And that's it. You've just tackled the most common cause of rough idle on Nissans, saving yourself a trip to the shop and restoring your engine's performance in just a few easy steps. Still rough? Next, check for vacuum leaks. Listen for a hissing sound with the engine running. Inspect all rubber hoses around the intake and throttle body for cracks, splits, or loose connections. Pay special attention to the brake booster hose and PCV valve hose. Replace any damaged hoses. Don't bother with tape, just swap them out. Tighten all connections, then start the engine again. If the hissing is gone and idle is steady, you've nailed it. Simple, but it makes a huge difference. If you're still having issues with your car's idle or performance, it's time to check the mass airflow, or MAF, sensor. This small but crucial component measures the amount of air entering your engine, helping your car's computer deliver the right fuel mixture. When it gets dirty, or fails, it can cause all sorts of problems, from rough idling to poor acceleration and even reduced fuel economy. You'll find the MAF sensor right after the air filter in the intake tube. To remove it, first unplug the electrical connector, then carefully unscrew the 2 mounting screws. Gently pull the sensor out, taking care not to force it or damage the housing. Inside, you'll notice some very fine wires or filaments. These are extremely delicate and sensitive. Only use a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner for this job. Never touch the wires with your fingers or any tools, as even a small amount of oil or pressure can ruin the sensor. Spray the wires thoroughly with the cleaner, making sure to cover all surfaces. Let the sensor air dry completely on a clean towel. Don't use compressed air or try to speed up the process, as this could damage the sensor. Once it's fully dry, reinstall the sensor, plug the connector back in, and start your car. Listen closely to see if the idle is smoother and if the engine responds better to throttle input. A clean MAF sensor can make a world of difference. It can fix rough, idle, hesitation, sluggish acceleration, and even help restore your car's fuel efficiency. Many drivers are surprised at how much better their car runs after this simple maintenance. It's a quick and easy job that can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Don't skip this step. Your engine will thank you for it. That's it. Your Nissan should be idling smooth and steady now. We tackled the top 3 causes, all with basic tools and a little time. Regular maintenance keeps your car running strong, so check these things even if you don't have a problem. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, share with a fellow Nissan owner. More easy DIY fixes and car tips are coming soon on Car Fix School. Thanks for watching, see you next time.